Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to fix breadcrumbs error. As you can see here in the errors column, you can see there are two errors inside that, and so there is a problem with Google search indexing, or your file has no clearly information about it, so it can say like this. So now I have two steps to show you to fix this. One, I recommend you to put all information inside the post to fix error bags after the next posting. So after your next post, you should to do it for every post to avoid this error happening again inside your blogger. So now I will show you the first step. I recommend you to, for every posting, you need to add some information clearly. That I know every post always have a title and a description like this, but I'm not talking about this one. I'm talking about this place on the left hand side here. So this place you need to add clearly labels what is your posting about, and you need to combine everything to the one categories or the similar topics that you need to combine it to one category by using the tag like this, or you can write type it to name it what is the articles talking about, or what is the topics, the real topics of your posting. And here this is the first, and the next you're gonna do one more step is the search description. Here you have 150 words to write, 50 characters to write. So all posting you need to add the completely information about your posting like this to fix this error when you post it in the next times. For example, when you have already clearly like this, you will see what is the description. Now we're going to show you how make money online, just like this. Okay, for example, this is the title of the posting here, but you will see the below of the description here. Here is the description that appearing inside this place. So you need to add the description like this to make sure that what is your topic about, and what is the short description is your topic talking about. So next time you will not get any error like this ever again. So, but if you have already error like this, you need to fix. Now I'm gonna check it out like this. Okay, when you check it out, you will see that data vocabulary sigma depreciate. Sorry, my bad English. And when you click on it again, you will see the URL that having problem with crawling or Google index crawling problem. So the problem is between these both is the same. It means not very clearly about the information, or you will see it is an unnamed items, unnamed item. It should be showing like this. Now when we click on that, you will see that is unnamed items. It means you are not clarifying or very clearly about the information like this. but you're not gonna fix it or edit your post. But today I'm gonna show you how to fix it by replacing the code. So I have the code here. It is be include Broadcom web post just like this. So you can replace it all, but the first time you need to find the code inside the posting, inside the HTML code. So you need to click on the shim here and click on edit HTML, and then press Ctrl F to find your codings and pass this word here and hit enter to find where is the breadcrumbs code about here. So here is the place that starting with be include, and we also have be include Broadcom web post. So make sure that you have replace it properly with be include like this. Be include data post, and here is the be include data post. And it is starting with the web post, so it can be different, and it can be different between Broadcom's code inside it. So the recommendation is starting with the div text and until this place, closing div text, and copy all this code here, and then you need to pass the place that he already starting with the divs, and make sure that what is your div is talking about. If your div is talking about the breadcrumbs, you need to replace it with the breadcrumbs. Okay. Now I'm gonna find more about the breadcrumbs posting here. So you need to refresh this code. Right click on that and click on copy, and then you're gonna find the breadcrumbs like this. It is starting with data post div class, and make sure that you have the Broadcoms, and you will see this guys, because you're gonna find this place and press Ctrl F again and find it. Okay, so the error is just among this. So you need to copy all of this code, it's starting with the divs and closing with the div text, and press Ctrl C to copy that. And here is the div problem here, and we're gonna select it all to the div close tag starting here. So if you want all the code that starting with be include, you can post it starting with be include like this. You can also starting with this. So press Ctrl C to copy all of this, and starting with the be include like this. Okay, now we're gonna go down and find the closing text of be include. So it looks like closing like this. So you need to find the closing text of be include to the ends of be include. Okay, we don't found that. So it can be just below, but it is nothing you found here. So you don't need to copy the with the be include, because we have now found that where is the closing of be include tag. So thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna find only the div text only. Okay, now we just start with the div text because the be include we don't have once. We don't see the be includes. So we're gonna start with the div text here and to the end of the div text here. So pass that code and delete this code also, be loops, and then click save. Okay, after you have already saved it, it looks like everything will not error again with this posting. But don't worry about it. We're gonna find the URLs of your by copying this and pass it here and press enter to find Google Index problem. So now we have already fixed the two of them. URL is now on Google but has an issue. So you're gonna click on test URL here. Okay, you can wait it until it found the result here. So now everything is related, everything is working and still being good now. So I hope you guys understand, and yes, everything is in working now. So thank you for watching, but don't worry about that. When you click on a Google index here, it will happening like this, but don't worry about it because it's gonna show you and indexing you. After you have already indexing, everything will be fixed by the Google. So don't worry about that. So now I'm gonna go back to the performance again, and everything is should be fine and indexing. So I hope you guys understand about it, and it will nothing happening again to your error indexing. So you can, before you post, you need to add some information, as I told you before. Okay, so do every step that I have been already teaching you here, and you will never errors again, ever again. So thank you for watching.